Hi and welcome to Logan's Cliffside Adventures. Today we're making tinfoil wrapped chicken and potatoes on the backyard fire. We're going to start up by cutting up our chicken into cubes. Then we're going to marinate the chicken and wrap it in tinfoil and add our potatoes to our tinfoil wrap, start the backyard fire, and when we have some nice red embers we're going to start cooking. We now have the 4 cut up chicken breasts cut into cubes. We're going to make the marinade and then marinate the chicken. I like making my marinade with barbecue, brown sugar, and some garlic. If you want to cut up fresh garlic, that's better, but I'm just using the pre-chopped stuff.
Now we got our sauce. When we mixed it up really well, now you're gonna pour it in the meat, I believe, is it?
Yeah, and that's, make sure you get all this out.
And you want to use your spoon to scrape the bowl out to make it clean. Okay?
Yeah, and you want to use all of the marinade we've got made. Now the marinade, it is all spread on the chicken.
Now
we're going to do up some tin foil. Now we got a tin foil mat. And there's our chicken all wrapped up.
And now you want to wash your hands before you go put it on the fire, because that raw chicken can get us sick.
Yep, anytime you're working with raw meat, especially chicken, you need to wash well to make sure you don't get food poisoning. Now we need to get the potatoes ready. And today we're cheating with pre-packaged potatoes. But normally you would do this with small baby potatoes, chop them up, and season to taste.
Ooh, can I smell them?
These potatoes are pre-seasoned, but you can never have too much butter, so I'm going to add a bit more.
Yeah. Yep.
Now we have our potato package and our package of meat. We're going to get the fire started, and when we have a nice bed of coals, we'll come back for the video. Now we got the fire going nicely, it's nice and warm. We're going to put the chicken and potatoes on the fire and let it cook for about 20 minutes.
Check our chicken.
Yeah, the chicken's been cooking for about half an hour, so we're going to check to see how it's doing.
We haven't cooking.
You can see the chicken is getting there, but it's still a little bit soft. So we're going to keep we're going to keep cooking for about another 15 to 20 minutes. It's been about another 15 minutes. We're going to check on the chicken and potatoes, and they should be done now. Yep, chicken is looking good and done. And the potatoes seem done as well. We'll bring this in and see how it turned out. Okay, we put the chicken inside and the potatoes. Let's see how they turned out. Yeah, tastes good. Time to serve up and enjoy dinner.